Hey, let's bake vegan spicy zucchini. Take one large zucchini, rinse it nicely in water, cut it up into wedges, heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon garam masala or allspice, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, red chili powder. Mix in the vegetables with the spices and oil. Mix in nicely so that all the pieces are coated with the spice. Place it in a baking tray. Bake for about 25 minutes at 400 degrees. It's ready. Wait for it to cool a bit. Transfer the veggies into a serving plate. Take some vegan mayo. Here I'm using plant-based vegan mayo. Garnish the pieces with a little bit of mayo and enjoy your baked zucchini.